Hi, welcome back to We Inspire Read Aloud. Today's story is titled I Am Mixed. El Buevas, Sebastian A. Jones, and illustrated by James C. Webster. I am mixed like my twin brother Jay. I am mixed with all kinds of goodies like chocolate chunks and marshmallow delights, candy canes with licorice stripes. I am all things bright and soft and light and beautiful dark. When I go to school, I get asked funny things like, your hair is bendy like curly whirly straws. It's not straight like Sally's or thick like Leonore's. I say, I am all these things and so much more. I am all things fine and fair and coarse and beautiful brown. When I get home, Mommy holds me high. She says, your skin is the night and your eyes are the stars. Your smile is the moon that kisses my heart. I am mixed like my twin sister Nia. I am mixed with all kinds of goodies like vanilla beans and cinnamon sticks, rainbow sherbet and chocolate chips. I am all things bright and soft and light and beautiful dark. When I'm with family, we play music like Maria Callas, Liquid Van Beethoven, Nina Simone, and Sonny Boy Williamson. I sing. I am all these things and then some. I am all things piano, bass, and jebe drum, and beautiful rhythm. When I am finished dancing, Daddy holds me high. He says, your eyes are the sky and your skin the gentle cloud. Your smile is the sun that makes me proud. I am a melting pot of scrumptious treats. I am an Irish jig to an African beat. I am a Cuban painter with brush in hand. I am a Haitian farmer healing the land. I am a Chinese dragon in search of Mars. I am a Mexican sailor who travels afar. I am the best from all over the world. I am like every boy and every girl. I am all these things like I've said before. I am this and that and you know what's more? I am mixed.